Have you ever wanted to share your ideas with the world? Maybe you make cool crafts, maybe you have great recipes, maybe you know a lot about history. A website is like your own online space. You can share anything you want. Today, almost everyone looks for information online. If you have a business, a website is even more important. It's like having a shop open 24/7. People can learn about your products or services. They can contact you easily. Don't worry. Building a website is easier than you think. This guide will show you how. We'll start with the basics. Then, you'll be ready to launch your website in no time. First, you need a domain name. Think of it like your home address, but for the internet. It's what people type in to find your website. For example, google.com or wikipedia.org. Choose a name that's easy to remember and relevant to your website's topic. Keep it short and simple. You can buy a domain name from companies like GoDaddy or Namecheap. They usually cost around $10 to $15 per year. Next, you need web hosting. This is like renting space for your website on a server. A server is a powerful computer that stores your website's files. It makes sure people can access it online. There are many web hosting companies like Bluehost, HostGator, and SiteGround. They offer different plans with varying amounts of storage space and bandwidth. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Before you start building, it's important to plan your website. Think about what you want to achieve with it. Who is your target audience? What information do you want to share? Create a sitemap. This is like a blueprint for your website. It shows all the pages and how they connect. You can also sketch out wireframes. These are simple drawings of each page's layout. Section 5. Website Builders, your easy tools. Now comes the fun part. Building your website. You don't need to be a coding expert. There are many website builders that make it easy. WordPress is a popular choice. It's free to use and offers a lot of flexibility. Wix is another option. It's known for its drag-and-drop interface and beautiful templates. Squarespace is great for photographers and artists. It offers stunning designs and e-commerce features. Section 6. Mobile-friendly websites for phones and tablets. Most people access the internet on their phones, so your website needs to be mobile-friendly. This means it should look good and work well on smaller screens. Use a responsive design. This automatically adjusts your website's layout to fit any device. Choose a website builder that offers responsive templates. Test your website on different devices to make sure it's easy to navigate. Section 7. Getting found SEO for your website. You've built a great website, but how will people find it? This is where SEO comes in. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It helps your website rank higher in search results. Use relevant keywords in your website's content. These are the words people type into search engines. Make sure your website loads quickly. Optimize your images. Submit your website to search engines like Google. Section 8. Launching your website into the world. Once you're happy with your website, it's time to publish it. This means making it live on the internet. Your web hosting company will provide you with instructions. Before you launch, double-check everything. Make sure there are no broken links or typos. Once you're ready, hit the publish button and celebrate. You're officially a website owner. Section 9. Keeping your website, fresh updates, and more. Congratulations on launching your website, but the work doesn't stop there. To keep visitors engaged, you need to keep your website updated. Add fresh content regularly. This could be blog posts, new products, or updated information. Interact with your visitors. Respond to comments and messages. Track your website's performance using analytics tools. Building a website is an ongoing journey, but with a little effort, you can create a website that's both informative and engaging.